The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG K51 for Boost Mobile. So the LG K51 is a new smartphone for Boost Mobile. It is available now. It's currently on sale, $60 off. So y'all guys can get the LG K51 for $89.99 currently. The full retail price for the phone is $149.99. This is a budget smartphone, so do keep it in mind. So yeah, this is what the K51 looks like. Also, really nice phone. It does have a big ass chin at the bottom. It does have a water drop notch on top. So pretty nice. And you have your bang keys on the left, power button on the right side, and I think you have a Google Assistant key on the left side as well. So this is your take button notch, power button there, bang keys here, and the Google Assistant key right here. So pretty cool. On the right side of the phone, like I said, power button. And that's the only thing I see on the right side of the phone here. No way, I see your micro SD card and your SIM card slot on the right side of the phone as well. So your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the right side of the phone above the power button. So, and then there it is, the front again. Nice looking wallpaper. There's the left side again. That's a bang keys and the Google Assistant key right here. And then on the back of the LG, K51, y'all guys have your 3 cameras, camera, flash, phone card sensor, and the LG logo. So not bad for a budget phone. This does have 3 cameras on it, so that's pretty cool. So there's your cameras right here, fingerprint, LG logo, and stuff like that. So it says here, take epic panoramic vistas and brag-worthy group shots with a triple camera system featuring a 115-degree super wide lens, snap striking photos that lets you stand out with bokeh portrait effect. Immerse yourself in ultimate entertainment and rich media on an expansive 6.5-inch large display with true-to-life colors. The LG K51 packs premium features and a powerful battery to capture and experience all that life has to offer. So, first thing that you guys will notice that the LG K51 has a big ass screen at 6.5 inches, a 13 megapixel main camera on back, 23 hours of talk time, 32 gigabytes of storage, and Android 9.8 Pie. So, pretty decent specs for this budget phone here. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so you keep it in mind. So, of course, how it works is you order today, wait for your phone to arrive, and pick a no contract plan and activate online. Simple as that. Big screen view. Relive your best moments and favorite shows in HD rich multimedia experience. I think it's HD plus. I think it's a 720p display. I think it is. The perfect shot every time. The LG K51's triple camera system gives you the flexibility to shoot wide angles, automate bokeh blurs, and So the LG K51 triple camera system gives you the flexibility to shoot wide angles, automate bokeh blurs, or grab a quick one-click shot. It's easy to use and a breeze to customize your photos, giving you great range and photography freedom. One touch unlock. The fingerprint sensor helps unlock your tablet conventionally and quickly for peace of mind. I think that should be phone right there, but they put tablet there for some reason. Get more in, fit more frames, and expand scenery into your landscapes with the super wide 115-degree angle front camera that captures more of what you love in vibrant, sharp focus. Portraits perfect. Portraits perfected. Elevate your portraits with the 13 megapixel front camera's roll portrait mode. Add 2 megapixel true bokeh effects to your photos with stunning depth and vertical background blurs that keep your subjects in focus, front and center. All day battery life. Enjoy more time to talk, post, text, and share confidently with the speed with especially people in your life. The 4,000 mAh battery has you covered for long-lasting reliability, so you can do more. Storage for your keepsakes. With 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, you will get up to 16 GB usable, so you do have 32 gigs, but you get half of that usable, and you have up to 2 TB of external storage. You can commemorate all of your best moments and download your favorite apps without having to constantly elevate what to keep. So you don't without having to constantly evaluate what to keep. So fast and efficient multitasking with a MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core 2 GHz processor that gives you access to apps and the ability to quickly switch between functions. The LG K51 also features DTS:X surround sound, so immerse yourself in crystal clear sound with DTS:X. The mobile optimized technology that delivers a loud, rich audio experience. You also have Mexico remain capable in this one as well. It says here, stay connected even when you're traveling in Mexico. Applying the add-on is required to use that function there. It is also room capable as well. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. So that's always nice to have for emergencies. Mobile hotspot capable. Don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access varies per plan. So there you go. So the LG K51 has pretty decent specs for a budget phone. This is a budget phone, so just keep it in mind. You have 4,000 mAh battery, 23 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable. 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM. Micro SD card slot up to 2 TB. MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core 2 GHz processor. Android Pie. 13 megapixel face detection autofocus. Standard angle camera and a 5 megapixel super wide and a 2 megapixel bokeh cameras. You also have a 13 megapixel front facing camera as well. So you have a 6.5 inch display on the LG K51. That is HD plus full vision. That is 720p plus. Your dimensions on the LG K51, they are 6.57 inches in height, 3.7 inches in width, and 0.32 inches depth. Your connectivity options for the LG K51 are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, stereo, and DTS:X 3 to surround sound with headphone jack. Other features include fingerprint sensor, Google Assistant key, compliant with 8 multi standard 18G Tesla. This is kind of rugged a little bit, so you do get a little ruggedness in this one here. So pretty cool. What's included in the box is the LG K51 charger, SIM card installed, USB cable, which is USB-C, important information booklet. And if you guys need help with your LG K51, Beast Mobile has you covered with that. So as I said, want to know everything there is to know about this one. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all other games and notifications. So there you guys have it. The LG K51 is now here at Beast Mobile. It's available now for $89.99 currently on sale. That's $60 off. The full retail price is $149.99 for the LG K51. This is a nice looking phone. We are getting pretty good specs for what it is. This is a budget smartphone, so do keep it in mind. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, a first phone for a kid, stuff like that, this is a phone worth checking out. This one is very nice. It does look very nice. It does have some pretty good features with it as well. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so do keep it in mind. So yeah, there you guys have it. The LG K51 is now here at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys, it really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.